In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly change the landscape of any photo. I think it only takes about 5 clicks, so all you need to do is open an image. This one I got from Unsplash, I'll leave a link in the description. So once you've got your image, I always create a duplicate of the background with Command J. Then go up to Filter, Neural Filters. We'll open up this window here. All you want to do is click Landscape Mixer. It's in beta at the moment, so just toggle that on. Click whichever preset you want, or if you have an image that you want to try and copy, you can hit custom and upload your own. But for now, I'll just hit the winter one. It'll process on your computer pretty quickly. And there you go. That's it. You can adjust the strength. You can adjust the time of day or night. And you can also make it more wintry, more spring, more summer, whatever you really want. I've found that you get different results almost each time. For example, this was a winter one that I just did with this image, but with that same image, I got this result, which put like snow caps on the mountains, on the edge of the cliff. It's really cool. And another one I tried was the sunset one, which looked like that, which is quite nice. Then from here you can do whatever else kind of edits you want to do. But yeah, it's a quick little fun tool to play around with. And yeah, a short one today. If you like the content I'm trying to put out, please consider subscribing. It means a lot. I'm trying this YouTube thing amongst, work and life and all that. And yeah, see you next time.